I thought we might be able to use Trello. It's a free kind of team or organizing software. There's lots out there. Um, but this one's totally free and pretty easy to use. So when I send you an invite, you'll just have to sign up with an email and make a password, verify it, and then you should be able to click through to the board that I've made. So you'll probably see a sort of home screen like that. And I've made a board called Studio Maintenance. So if you click it, I might just, let's leave that for now. You'll see I've made lists for each room, and we can easily add rooms like computer lab or whatever else is relevant. But I've put a few in there just as an example. So if we have a look here, we can see, I'm just going to get rid of this one. I'm pretty sure you can't delete them, you just archive them to make them go away. So anyway, this was an example from the other day, so you can go in and create a new card. I'll see it, might just delete that as well. So you can add details if you need, otherwise, the heading might just be enough. And I'll see that, get in there and have a look, and I can write some features. So I'm pretty sure I emailed you this the other day. You can also do things like add attachments. So if you need to take a picture or something, you can do that, and it'll add that to the card. You can also add checklists. So if that's a useful thing, you can call it something like test, and just add items that need doing, and I'll see those, and then I can go through and tick them off, and you can kind of see that it's done. I also thought it might be useful to add a color, so I'll just remove that. So you can see here there's this thing called cover, and if you click on that and you guys add a new job for me to look at, if you make it red, I'll know that it hasn't been done, and I'll make it green if it's complete and there's nothing else to do. If I've looked at it and it's sort of temporarily fixed or needs follow up, I'll make it orange, and that way we'll know we need to sort of come back to it. So and you could make a note, so I've already put one in here, something like, we'll look at the junction box during the break, so we'll see it's orange, that it still needs something done for it to be complete. So if you want to add a job, that's an example, you just click add another card, and you could put something like live space is a mess, and that's it. I can go in there. If you need to add details, checklists, you can do it, and I'll then go in and have a look, and if it's all good and I've done it, I'll just click done, go over here and change it from red to green, and that way we can kind of keep track of what's going on. So let's see how it goes. I'll send you an invite. If you think it's useful, we can use it. If not, it doesn't matter either. So cool, see ya.